This video wasn't planned. It was sort of a happy accident. After closing out a busy guide season at the shop, Dylan and I decided to take a trip and search for some new water. Fishing new water is something we don't always have time for, and considering where we live, there's too much to see in one lifetime, so we have to make it count. Our home in the UP comes with some tremendous benefits. 10.5 million acres of land, while right around 90% of it remains public. It can definitely seem daunting, but after a number of years doing it, it's become my favorite thing to do. I'd argue that one good scouting trip is worth at least 6.5 good days on home water. You don't know what you're up against, so the victory is sweeter. Here's the thing. The success of this trip would be determined by something other than fish. We hadn't realized until we were driving around searching for river access that the next morning was the opening day of deer season. Not the ideal time to be walking around in the woods.
So this guy just got a 6-pointer, and he's gutting that thing out, and he's actually, we asked him if we could see it, shoot it, and he was like, you know, nah man, I gotta get this thing cleaned and I'm getting right back out, deer are moving, so.
As my Uncle Tom says, Seth, no fish is worth dying for. So we set our priorities. Don't get shot, and don't stop looking for fish. We tried to keep them in that order.
All right guys, this is, I haven't uploaded in a long time, we'll talk about that later. We're scouting right now, which is pretty nuts because we're on about a 100-foot drop, and Dylan's down there with an axe somewhere trying to blaze a trail. I'm in here trying to figure out my life, walking through all this. Really steep, but we're chasing fish. So yeah, it's pretty stinking nuts. On a big ledge coming down to a river that we're not going to name because we don't know if it's any good yet. If it was good, yeah, I don't know how we're going to get back up this. This'll be fun. I should have brought some rope. Hope you guys are well. There it is right there. Finding his way down. Okay. That ain't bad. You could wade that. Like how I'm sending you out. Do this with Corey too. Slippery, that's for sure. Is it rocks or just? And we're in the middle of the hole, so I'm sure you can cross up there. Watch her. Big rocks? Big rocks. Okay.
It's always fun scouting for a few days. To force discipline, we left our rods at the vehicle. This kept us focused on one thing and helped us see the river differently. When we didn't have the ability to immediately cast into the first pool we saw, we were left to observe. The first day, we looked for river access that wasn't occupied by a hunter, not something that's easy to do in the UP. We eventually found what we were looking for. A stunning river, wide bends, riffles, pools, and depth, which in my book already counted as a win. This was clearly water that hadn't been frequented by fishermen. We wondered if that was because there were no fish, or if we had stumbled upon a gem. As we camped that night, I think we were both wondering what we'd find the next day. Not an easy way for a fisherman to fall asleep. So we made some good food, tried to get some sleep. How'd you sleep?
A little bit.
A little bit.
It's not too cold, it's only 20 degrees.
Only 20.
Oh, there's a deer.
What's up, guys? We're here, opening morning of deer season, scouting some trout water. Not ideal in the UP because it's a little dangerous. We don't want to get shot at. But we scouted this spot last night and camped, and there was no sign of hunters. In fact, there was actually been very little signs of deer even, so I think we're a little safe. We're gonna go down to this river. I got my switch rod. Dylan's got his Euro rig. We're gonna see what happens. I know I haven't been uploading videos in a really long time, but I'm gonna try to get back into it here. And we had a really busy season. Wife and I had a baby, all that kind of stuff, so it's been keeping me away from editing. And I got a video from Isle Royal that we're gonna head it down and do a bunch of stuff at, but today we're fishing, so let's get at it. Got to get that ND filter off. Dylan's on a fish. This scouting mission totally paid off. Totally paid off. Ugh. We know nothing about this river except that it holds fish. Now, oh, that's good, man. Good, good, good. Ooh, 7% battery left. I have to go easy on it.
Ready?
Ooh, nice fish, nice fish. Oh, it's hooked in the GoPro. It's hooked in the GoPro.
Freaking out. He's freaking out. He's freaking out. He's going upstream. He's going across the stream.
Oh man, he's way over there. It's a big tail.
Just felt the rock right there.
Oh, that's a nice fish, brother. It's a sucker, isn't it?
Salmon?
Huh? Oh, it's a steelhead. Now I gotta try to net this thing one-handed.
Yeah.
Dylan, buddy, we saw it. We got proof of life. Oh, it's a very nice steelhead.
He's almost ready. Might have to get him a little more downstream.
I think you can bring him up. It looks like he's pretty tired out now. Oh, I didn't get him. Here I am one-handing it with the camera. I apologize. This is really stupid. This is really dumb of me to do.
Get downstream a little more.
Okay, I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Oh. Literally, I just decided to set the camera down and got to put it in there. There's another one in there. There's obviously another fish in there. That was clearly a steelhead. Dylan, I'm sorry on the net job. Check this out. Just freaking hooked the steelhead, dude.
They're steelheaded here.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. That was a dumb net job on my end. Like, clearly that was stupid. Like, we would not be doing that if we were guiding or just, but like, we're trying to document this for you. For you.
What would you say? That was like 20.
it's a very large fish, buddy. It's a very large fish. Yeah, this might be the biggest steelhead I've ever caught. And there's no way that he's ready to come in yet. I'm taking almost all the pressure off him. And I'm just working him really slow. Look at him, look, he's not even close to ready. Dude. Oh, he's coming in. He's coming in. Oh, now he's going back out. Jeff, can you hear me? Jeff.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice
Oh.
message. 920
Come on.
90
It's bull crap.
122 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Dude, I'm fighting a huge steelhead right now, buddy. Oh, oh, oh! Dude, dead serious, boss. This thing's big. One of the bigger steelhead. Ah! There he goes. Woo! Dude, I wish you were here, brother. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. I had to do that to him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah. Should we,
I
set
can't
this
move it.
camera down somewhere?
I can't move it.
He's,
I'm definitely tiring him.
I know. It's not like they're kind of lethargic almost, but they're still heavy.
Check this out, buddy.
You gonna beach them?
I can't. I don't. Oop, oop, oop. He was right up in that. He was right up in that run right there.
If you knock this fish off, I'll understand. Like if you want to just cut my line right now, go for it. Because I botched that fish on you. I'm gonna try to lift him up a little bit. Man, he will not come up. Man, am I laying into that fish. Holy crap. I can tell I'm able to move him a little bit more now. Oh, there he goes. He shook off. Dude, that was awesome. Dude, that was awesome. That was a huge, I wish you could have seen the flash on that fish. It was easily like, it was easily like, oh my gosh, dude, that was so sick. Gonna go get another. We did it. We freaking got one in the net. It's awesome. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, look at how chrome that fish is. Wow.
It's at this point I understand that we're a special kind of crazy. To come all the way out here for a fish just to say we did it. The reality is, fishing this river will never be the same now. We've done this enough to know that if something isn't simply handed to you, it's not worth as much as something you had to work for. And if you figure it out too quickly, it loses its draw. Our enjoyment comes from the pursuit, the process of figuring out a new body of water. We would have been happy enough to find a beautiful river, fish a little bit, and not get shot. What makes it even better is that we did some homework, spent some time and money, found some fish. I'm sure we'll come back to this one, but one thing is certain, it'll never be the same. And that's okay. We're just saving some of the unknown so we can enjoy it later.